In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Hot Encoder node. This node takes categorical variables and makes them usable for modeling purposes. It is different to the string indexer node in that it can take different types of categorical variables and it outputs vectors. This is a useful node to extract the most out of datasets when modeling. Here in the node configuration pane, the first thing we need to do is to add to our variables list. We do this using the green plus sign on the left-hand side of the configuration pane. We can also remove items from our variables list using the minus sign on the right-hand side of the configuration pane. Next, we select the columns which we want to be encoded. After that, we can now name our new columns. Now we are ready to execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that our original columns still remain. We can use another node to remove these in the future if we don't want to include them in our modeling. At the end of our dataset, we also have two new columns with the names that we gave them in the configuration pane. And we have vector values that represent each of the unique values represented in the original columns. Thank you for listening.